Hi guys, this is Harshit Bharadwaj, and I am going to talk about the very basics of your preparation. I did a live video earlier today where I offered that I will be teaching YouTube students for free on YouTube. I'll put together a course where try to get through all the texts, paper 1 and paper 2, in a sequenced, structured fashion so that you can follow my lessons, watch the recordings of the previous ones. So I got some comments. Some students want that to happen. I know there are a lot of students who would uh, want that. Best option, as I always tell everyone, that the best option is if you can join an academy. That's where I teach. I teach in an academy, and the course at an academy that I offer is probably one of the best courses available for this optional. So if you can afford to join an academy, if you can join an academy, then that's the best option available to you, right? If for whatever reasons you simply cannot afford it, or it's for whatever reasons you cannot join it, then of course I'll try to help you. But those of you who are finding it a little hard to join an academy because of the money part, and if you're a deserving candidate, then I have some news for you, right? Of course, you know about me. This is me. So if you're struggling with the money part for an academy subscription, there is a very good opportunity knocking at the door. The Unacademy Combat. This is something happens on every Sunday, and an academy allows you to sit for a test where they give you up to 100% off. So this is happening on the 20th February 2021, 11 a.m. So if you watch this video in time, then you can enroll it using the links in the description. And the enrollment is free. You just need to download the Unacademy app and sit for this exam. This is all the questions are curated by educators like me. It's you'll get your ranking in live time, so right away you'll know where you stand. Uh, Thousands of students sit for this contest every Sunday, so you'll see where you are. You can try attempting this exam every Sunday, right? And the score, the leaderboard, the ranking, the awards, everything you can see right away. Your performance is visible right away, and this is what you get. So the top three rankers will get 100% discount on the Unacademy subscription. That's a lot of money. Rank 4 to 10, we get 75% off. Rank 11, 50%, and up to 500, you'll get 25% off. So it's a pretty decent option. 45 minutes, 60 questions every Sunday. So don't wait for it. You should go and enroll in it. Now, uh, I wanted to talk about uh, what we can do in terms of how to start. Okay, how do you start? So some of you asked me that you are preparing for uh, what 2022. So if you are a 2022 aspirant, what are the first steps you should take? In this video, I'll give you a very honest and casual strategy. You will not hear about this strategy from anywhere else. I'll give you exactly what you need to do to start. So this is for everyone who is still wondering. You pick this optional and you are sure that you're going to attempt your UPSC exam with English literature optional, but you don't know where to start. So I'll give you exact pointers of where to start. Number one, understand the syllabus. Okay, understand the syllabus. What does that mean? That means you check out UPSC's official notification from last year. Even if you Google it, you'll get the syllabus. Look at the syllabus. I have made many videos here on my channel. One of my videos, which is probably the most popular video, it's about the syllabus. You check that out. You must understand the syllabus perfectly. That's the first start. You must know everything about the syllabus. You should understand each and every text. And the second step is identify your preparation strategy. Now, what we are doing in this video is trying to find out your strategy, right? So when I say identify your strategy, you need to identify a teacher or a teaching method, whether it is an academy, if you can afford to take the subscription, whether it is self, whether it is my YouTube channel. You need to figure this out. Who's going to help you in this journey? So part of your strategy is your teacher and your timeline. How long should you take to finish your preparation? So I'll devote more time on the timeline. If you start now in March 21, you should take March, April, May, June, maybe July 21. Finish the entire syllabus. This is what you should aim for. Whether with a teacher, whether you do it yourself, whether you watch my YouTube channel, you must finish it in 3 to 5 months. That clear? Right. Then you must plan to revise it twice. एक बार before the prelims, एक बार post prelims. Is that clear? This is the most basic strategy. You should understand the syllabus. Then you identify your strategy in terms of your teacher and timeline. Who is going to help you? You should aim to finish the syllabus in 3 to 5 months starting now. By finishing, I mean reading all the text and at least practicing the answer writing once. So the YouTube course that I'm going to be offering, I'll structure it in such a manner that it is almost going to be a regular thing, right? But I'll need your support. I'll do these classes live so that you can ask questions while I'm live. I'll do these classes 1 hour classes on a set timeline, and hopefully I can do them regularly enough and help you finish your course, because I understand if you rely upon me, then I need to be responsible enough, so I cannot start and stop. So that's why I'm still saying the best option for you is to join my Unacademy course. I'm doing paper one syllabus at the moment. You can join it. You can get a 10% discount code if you use my code, which is HERSH dot BHARDWAJ. Leave your comments, leave your questions, leave your queries in the comment section, and let's plan out how to get it started. Until then, I'll I wish you all the best in your preparation, and I'm hoping that I'm able to help you because I really want to help you, and I really want English literature aspirants not to feel helpless and left in the lurch. I'm here for you guys. I look forward to hear back from you. You have a good rest of the day or rest of the night, and I'll see you around soon.